To open a PyCharm project, follow these steps. Launch PyCharm. Open PyCharm by either double-clicking its icon or searching for it in your applications. Select the Open option. Once PyCharm is open, you will be presented with a welcome screen. Click on Open. Locate the project. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your PyCharm project is located. If you've previously saved your project, it should be in a known directory. Select the folder that contains your project files and click OK or Open. Opening from the Recent Projects menu. If you've opened the project before, you can also find it under the Recent Projects section on the PyCharm welcome screen. Just click on the project name to open it directly. Wait for the project to load. PyCharm will load the project files, including configurations, dependencies, and any other files associated with the project. This may take a few seconds. Start working. Once the project is open, you can start coding, run your scripts, and use PyCharm's features like debugging, version control, and more.